Hi, welcome back to my channel, and we're here again with a huge Five Nights at Freddy haul. And I do have another video that's coming out this week. I got two of the, what are they, Funkos?
Yep.
Funko Five Nights at Freddy action figures. You probably hear my cat playing with a bag. Had to put her up because she wouldn't leave the tripod alone.
She finds it irresistible.
So let's get unbagging. We're going to start with the MyMojis.
You ready to get them going?
Yeah.
Alright. And let's see what we got. We have a Chica. I'll let you take care because I have no idea what's going on with the camera.
Give it time to focus on it.
That's something I need to do after a while.
I can't remember if I have this one or not. So that was in bag number 1. So let's go ahead and open another bag.
Alright.
Try not to make this super long.
Let's see if we can get one under 30 minutes. Uh-oh. Do we have a Bonnie? I'm not looking. I didn't see the expression.
Yeah, I got this one already.
Oh, it's the Gur face?
Yeah, huh?
Well, is there an nephew getting hooked up, or I don't know who likes that one best. Is it Cody or Tori likes it? Bonnie best?
Cody.
Yeah, okay, I thought so. We'll skip to the end. And we'll snap another one out. I'm seeing some yellow glare from the bag, so we got another Bonnie. But do we have a different face, or is it the same?
That's a Chica.
Oh, where's my brain at? We're just talking about Bonnie.
Our first, well, out of this unbagging first duplicate.
Yeah.
I guess Tori probably wound up with this one.
Yeah, because she has a little Chica plushie, doesn't she?
Yeah, I think that's probably one of her favorites.
Thank you. Hey. Get a Freddy. That's our first Freddy of the series, isn't it?
Yep. Very smooth painted. With a whatever look on his face. Okay. I wanted to save these for last. And hand me one of the boxes.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you. Let's see. Now, me and my nephew Cody was talking about these because he was wanting to get a mangle one. And I don't know if it's from different location of Walmart's, but this one's box is different. It has these as the Walmart exclusives, and can't find any of the other ones.
Yeah, it seems like they just left off the Walmart exclusives on it. Maybe they just got a different shipment from factory or something.
I don't know. I don't see no Walmart exclusive on these.
Yeah, it seems like they just got something different. Maybe they got a case from the wrong place.
And you can see the detail on the box.
But that was very odd.
I settle for a Bonnie if they have it.
Let's see what we got. Ready to crack them open and see who's inside. See if I can cheat with it. I have no clue. Alright. Hey, the bag's already open. Uh-oh. So, is it the marionette?
Yeah, marionette. He looks so happy, don't he?
See, it seems like the marionette's a common 1 of 12.
Yeah, he looks like Billy the Puppet, which is also what he's named. Well, the fans kind of named him Puppet. What I hear from Cody. Especially, you know, the cheeks. Looks like Billy the Puppet from Saw.
Yeah. Let's see what we got in box number 2. And I'm going to try to cheat the thumbs open it up. And whoa! Now that's a snap trap, isn't it?
Spring trap.
Spring trap. Excuse me. That's very cool from what I've seen so far. And yet, there's a common one.
I say that's one of my favorites because look at the detail on that.
Dude, that's very cool.
I mean, it has like, you know, divots and stuff in it. Usually, it's just most people just paint it to look like that.
Yeah, he looks like he's been through heck and back.
So that's him. I say that's probably gonna be my favorite.
Heck yeah, I'm digging that. Let's see what's behind offering number 3. Bag full of air. Oh, dude, I know what this is.
Is it a Chica?
Nope, but one you want.
The cupcake.
Mr. Cupcake. That's awesome. Yeah. Heck yeah. Let's hope we can get you one of those then.
Well, so far no duplicates on those, but I looked through the MyMojis and the only duplicates.
So
I got 2 duplicates out of the MyMojis this time.
you want to bring them back around?
These 2. Which is kind of weird since they have so many of those.
Yeah.
And the Bonnie, I had 2 of him already. Same one. But the Freddy's new.
Yeah, we got new Freddy. And one of those chicas we got dupe of was new.
And some more recapping. Marionette.
There's another new one to our collection.
Springtrap.
One day I will get to figure everybody's names right. It'll help if I start playing the games.
And Mr. Cupcake.
Heck yeah.
So, thanks for watching. I know this was a short video. So, like and subscribe, and I'll try to get more videos out.
Comment down below who was your favorite we got, and if there's anything you're interested in seeing, let her know.
Well, thanks for watching.
Thanks for stopping in, guys.
And bye.
Bye-bye.